Hello friends. Today's video is very interesting. Today's topic is upcoming Nokia PureBook laptops. If you like my videos, then do not forget to subscribe my channel. Nokia's agenda. Nokia PureBook is the upcoming laptop series from the HMD Global. After making its comeback to the smartphone space, Nokia also entered the smart TV segment in India later last year. Now, the company is coming up with its own laptop series in India. The Nokia PureBook moniker is already confirmed courtesy a Flipkart teaser page. While we do not have the launch date yet, there are already some rumors and leaks which gives us a fair bit of idea of what these laptops might offer. According to a report in Times of India, the Nokia PureBook laptops might come with 14-inch screen size. The interesting part is that the screen will support Dolby Vision technology, which will enhance the viewing experience. This also means the laptops will support a 12-bit format. With Dolby Vision including, the colors procured will be way better than normal screens. We haven't seen a lot of affordable laptops with a Dolby Vision display. The Nokia PureBook is said to weigh just 1.1 kilograms, which means it will be convenient to carry around. Its BIS listing suggests that the Tongfang, a Chinese ODM, will be providing the chassis for these laptops. This is a very common practice in the computer space.